How to install Google TV on your phone. What's up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily download Google TV on your phone. But before we begin, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to the channel. Google TV is an official application by Google which has numerous amount of features including recommendation where Google TV provides personalized recommendation for movies and TV shows based on what you've watched and what interests you. It also has a feature for watch list where you can add movies and shows to your watch list from your TV, phone or Google searches. It also has a voice search features and also a casting feature which allows you to cast movies, shows, photos, and more from your Android device or your iOS device to your TV using its Chromecast that is a built-in function. So for that, you just need to open up your Google Play Store, and on the search bar, you are just going to search for Google TV. Hit enter and you will find this right here, and you will see this install button right here. Tap on it, and if you already have the app you can just update it, and what this will do is it will start updating the app to its latest version. If you want to know what's new, you can just scroll down and tap on it, and here as you can see, stability and improvements and bug fixes are its new features on the latest version of the app. So that's how you basically install Google TV on your phone. I'll see you guys on the next one.